Hey everybody, happy Wednesday. This is day 3 of your week and day 2 of your post-production. Today I'm going to talk to you about what you should accomplish today. No videos to watch, nothing else to sort of like take your mind away from this. It's just literally getting down to the nitty-gritty and doing your editing. So if you look at slide 79, there is a list of things that you are going to want to talk about, and you want to stay focused only on scene 1. So only on scene 1 today, and that's what you should stay focused on. So you want to talk about your filters, your colors, your sound design, all of the things that you can change in the app that you have chosen. Then you lay out all of your footage in order with your different parts of the scene, your different shots that get you what you need. And then talk about the transitions between. Your editing app should have some different options as far as how to like blend these different scenes together. So you want to sort of think about how you want to tell your story, and you want to make it gradual and smooth and not sort of herky jerky. And then the last thing, speaking of that story, you want to check your story. Does it make sense? Does the meaning you were going for sort of like read in your shots? Are your characters or your actors' performances like conveying what you want them to show? And do we get a sense of the conflict? Because that should be present even in scene 1, because it kind of establishes the conflict for the rest of your piece. So make sure all of this kind of goes together, that you have the beats or the sections of the scene clearly laid out, and that your meaning reads the way you want it to. Remember, be patient, one scene at a time. So today is scene 1 only. Good luck. Email me if you have questions that I can help with. And yeah, keep moving, keep pushing. See you later.